Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll show you how to set up and customize the Separator section. The Separator is a simple yet powerful tool that helps divide sections on your store pages using a clean, stylish line or spacing. It enhances content flow, improves readability, and creates a more organized visual structure, making it easier for customers to navigate your store. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Separator section, begin by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the Separator section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings and open Professional Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Separator section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for Separator and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Separator section will be displayed. Desktop. The section appears only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile. The section appears only on mobile devices. Both. The section displays across all devices for maximum visibility. Use container size to control how wide the Separator section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. You can also adjust the opacity from 1% to 100% to control the transparency of the separator. Next, choose a separator type that matches your design. Available styles include straight, dashed, dotted, double, groove, diagonal, curve 1, curve 2, curve 3, curve 4, waves 1, waves 2, waves animated 1, waves animated 2, and cloud. The flip or reverse option allows you to invert certain styles. This works only with diagonal, curve styles, and waves including animated versions. If disabled, the flip effect will not apply. You can match the separator to your store's branding using color schemes such as light background, primary background, secondary background, or dark background. You can also choose custom to create your own color palette for full control over the appearance. For mobile devices, you can adjust the separator height between 65 pixels and 110 pixels. This setting applies only to supported styles like diagonal, curves, and waves. Match the Separator section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. And that's it! Your Separator section is now set up and ready to use. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.